Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this, gather quality ingredients and measure precisely for consistent results. Use unsalted butter, light brown sugar, large eggs, heavy cream, real butterscotch, and cake flour. Bloom gelatin properly and chill mixing bowls to help mousse set. Warm butterscotch gently to avoid burning and cool slightly before folding into whipped cream. Prepare pans with parchment and line edges for easy release when slicing after chilling. Taste components as you go to balance sweetness and salt. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum keeps your kitchen crumb-free, and voice-controlled cleaning means less sweeping after baking. It maps rooms smartly and handles crumbs while you chill your cake. Check the description for the link and other deals and enjoy a tidier baking space. Now let's get back to the video. Build the cake with a thin sponge base and a smooth butterscotch mousse layer for balance. Pipe or pour mousse evenly and tap the pan to remove air bubbles before chilling. Use a water bath for glossy glaze or caramel drizzle and chill long enough to firm the mousse. Run a warm knife around edges when unmolding for clean slices and garnish with toasted nuts or sea salt flakes. Serve slightly chilled for best texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.